Yeah. But as he mentioned, Rohan, about MS Dhoni, I would like to come on that point that very few lucky people get to meet him personally. And as you have been traveling with CSK over the years, so how
Hmm.
was your first interaction with one of the smartest brain in cricket,
No,
MS Dhoni,
obviously,
sir?
I didn't. I met him before I started traveling with CSK. Actually, I met him
Oh,
when I was doing while I was covering cricket. I think no, the first time I met him was I think for Star Sports when I started working for Star Sports because in cricket also there's news channels don't have that much of access with cricketers, of course. As a
Hmm.
reporter, I did interview. I did do a lot of interviews during earlier days when he was still younger. During the IPL, I remember in South Africa we did quite a few things, quite a few shoots.
Hmm.
But I think if you ask me when I really, really got to know him well was, of course, while traveling for CSK.
Yes.
okay.
He's super fun. He's always going to if he likes you, if he knows, first of all, he's going to like people who are very, very hardworking, who know what they're doing, and who do not who are extremely, extremely hardworking and diligent. He's always I see him always talking to some people who are like really hardworking and very dedicated, and he always has time for those, all of them. And if he likes you, he's always going to come and talk to you, always.
Oh,
So I remember every time I used to shoot something or I would do something or I'll be working, he'd come and he'll say something, he'll pull my leg, he'll constantly, if he always would pull my leg, always would tease me. That was the rapport we shared. Always would make fun of me. All of that it was very, very candid. And of course, sometimes you would have a few conversations about cricket. But I've noticed one thing, not just with MS, but with a lot of cricketers. I think once the match is over, very few people like talking about the match or the sport. They want to take their mind off it.
Off.
So that's why a lot of the discussions is about life. It's about things outside cricket. What do you like doing? What do you don't like doing? Hobbies and food and travel. And, a lot of the discussions become about that. So that ways I really got to know him very, very well over the years that I spent with CSK. He's a lot of fun to talk to. You can never get tired of conversations. He loves playing TT when he's not. He'd not just want to just sit around. You'd want to play something while he's chilling. So we played a lot of TT together. So it was fun. I think he's an amazing person who can completely take his mind off the game outside of that ground. Once he's away, he's like on another zone. He's always chilled out. He's very calm even while he's playing, but he's just so much more. The kind of control over his emotions that I have seen is just unbelievable. I don't think anyone else can be like that, have that much of control over himself or herself as a personality, because he knows that there are people who are constantly looking at him. People are constantly wanting to spend time with him, talk to him, get to know him, pick his brains. And he's just so easy. And he's just maintains that kind of calmness and that aura about him, which is very difficult. But he does it. And he's done it for so long, for so many years, on and on. So, yep, I guess it's one. He's not your regular sports star, he's someone special, and that's evident when you speak to him. I think that comes out across. That came out in one of the very few, the first few meetings itself that I had with him, or the first few interactions that I had with him. He's a special person. He doesn't come a cricketer or a personality like him will not come about all too often. It's like once in a lifetime person. And I think I was very, very privileged and very honored to have
absolutely
met him, interacted with him, and kind of gotten to know him, and someone who he remembers too. I think that's something that I'm quite honored to have had the occasion to be around.
That was actually nicely put in words. That is the most I've heard about MS Dhoni, not just on the field but off the field. How is he as a personality? So that was nicely put.